So we have a Disneyland trip planned for the end of this month, right after Christmas. But the hard thing is, over at Disneyland, there is a lot of rides that do not have multi-pass or lightning lane in the attraction. So I'm going to be doing a lot more waiting than I usually do here at Disney World. And I really hate waiting in lines. So I'm going to be getting ready for a Disneyland trip by practicing in my own house and waiting for normal things that I wouldn't normally have to wait for, like watching TV, or eating, or even going to the bathroom. So what that means is when I want to do something, I'm going to look up an actual wait time for a ride that doesn't have lightning lane over at Disneyland, and I have to wait that amount of time to do what I want to do here at the house. This is gonna suck. So with Disneyland being 3 hours behind us, and it's only 8:30 in the morning here, and Disneyland isn't open yet, I just have to wait, I guess, to go in my own house. Okay then. Let the waiting begin. This sucks. This is taking forever. So as I looked at the time again, it's 10:29, but at 7:30 they have early entry, which we're going to be staying at one of the hotels, so I'll be able to get early entry, which is good for me because early entry means less wait times. So in 1 minute, I get to go in my house. It's been very boring. So one more minute. It's 10:30. I get to go in now. I get to go in my own house. Yay. Okay, I played the music. Maybe a little weird because I'm not actually at Disneyland right now, but I wish I was. Only a few more weeks. But it is open, we are ready, and if the first thing I wanted to go on, if I was actually at Disneyland, that would be Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Why? Because we don't have it anymore. And according to my handy dandy app, it is a 10-minute wait right now for Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. And I'm hungry. So I have 10 minutes to wait, which is not too bad. Not too bad at all. So I set a 10-minute timer right here. Set a 10-minute timer for the wait time till I can eat. But I don't have the thing I want is a churro, because I love the churros at Disneyland, but I have something that they do sell at the parks. Well, kinda. I don't have regular, like, microwavable popcorn, but I do have this. And this is what I'm gonna eat to feel like I'm at the parks. So I actually might, hold on. I have this, a popcorn bucket that I'm gonna put my popcorn in so I can pretend like I'm at the parks. Just walking around the house, eating the popcorn, you know, the vibes. I still have 3 minutes left till I can eat the popcorn. Waiting is not fun. It is not fun at all. There's 10 seconds left. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh yeah. This is the best popcorn ever. Best popcorn. Oh, this is really good. Oh, I love the popcorn. So while I'm enjoying my popcorn, you know what else I would have really liked to do right now if I was at Disneyland? And it might seem weird, but I want to go on the Finding Nemo submarine adventure just because it would be reminding me of 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, which I loved as a kid. So I really want to go on that ride, and lo and behold, it's only a 5-minute wait. And I only have to wait 5 minutes to watch TV. I think I can do that. I think I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. So I really have to go to the bathroom right now, but I still have 52 seconds left of this. So if I leave this line to watch TV, I'll have to join another line to go to the bathroom. And I think I can hold out. I think I can hold out. But the next line is a very long line. So I have to wait here. It's only 30 more seconds, but I have to wait in another line, and my next line is the Pirates of the Caribbean, and that's a 20-minute wait right now. Hopefully it doesn't change in the next 15 seconds, but then I'll have to wait another 20 minutes to go to the bathroom. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Well, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. I can watch TV, and now I need to set another timer. Let's see what Pirates is at, and that, oh, still, yep, oh no, it just turned into a 30-minute wait. Oh no, now it's a 30-minute wait. Let me set my 30-minute timer. Oh, I should have left the line. Oh no. Okay, I have my 30-minute timer now until I go to the bathroom. Let me take my mind off of it while watching TV and eating popcorn. No liquids. Okay. 30 minutes. Let's do it. So I still have 14 minutes left until I can use the bathroom. And I'm panicking. Because I really need to go, and it's right there, and I can't use it. I try to watch TV to keep my mind off of it. It's not helping. It is not helping. This challenge, if you want to call it, this is a terrible mistake, especially when I threw the bathroom part into it. Yep. I don't know if this is good. I don't know if this is good for me. I don't know. 13 more minutes. 13 more minutes till I can go to the bathroom. This was a terrible idea. I have 20 more seconds left. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's much better. So one of the last things that I wanted to do today is Alice in Wonderland, because I love that ride. It's so nostalgic. We don't have it here. We've never had it here. So I really want to do it, and I'm really hungry. So I have to wait 20 minutes to be able to eat my lunch. And there's Alice in Wonderland. Here's my 20-minute timer. Oh my goodness. This is not going to be good. Here's my 20-minute timer until I get to eat lunch. I'm really hungry too. I only ate popcorn today. That was my breakfast. Now it's lunchtime. There's less than 10 seconds left, and I'm about to eat lunch. Yeah, this has been a day of wills. This has been... I don't like waiting, like I said, but it made me learn to be able to wait for good things is sometimes a good thing. The bathroom was not a good thing. Lunch is a good thing. So if you want to see our video while we're in Disneyland and California Adventure, we're going to make 3 different videos. It's going to be a lot of fun. I already have those planned out. If you want to see those, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we will see you guys next time. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye. This is so good.